Let's solve this problem. If you'd like, you can click the pause button and try to solve this problem yourself before you watch the video. We need to represent the area of this convex quadrilateral in the terms of A1, A2, and A3. Let's connect point O to points A, B, C, and D. OE is the median of the triangle BOC. The median of a triangle divides it into two triangles of equal areas. Two blue triangles have equal areas. By the same principle, two pink triangles have equal areas, two yellow triangles have equal areas, and two white triangles also have equal areas. The sum of A1 and A3 is equal to the sum of one pink triangle, one yellow triangle, one blue triangle, and one white triangle. The sum of A2 and X is also equal to the sum of one pink triangle, one yellow triangle, one blue triangle, and one white triangle. Therefore, the sum of A1 and A3 is equal to the sum of A2 and X. X is equal to A1 plus A3 minus A2. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider to subscribe to help my channel grow. Thank you.